It's been a year since President William Ruto commissioned the Siriwo rice milling machine in Siaya County. What began as a government initiative to empower local farmers is now a lifeline for hundreds of rice growers. Our reporter Bramwell Bwire visited Siriwo to find out how this modern facility has transformed the lives of farmers and the county's school feeding program.
A year ago, rice farmers in Siaya County faced harsh reality, limited processing capacity, and poor marketing access. Today, the hum of machinery at Siriwo Rice Mill tells a different story.
Kama mwaka moja mbili iliyopita, bei ya mpunga ilikuja ikateremuka ikafika kwamba tunauza kilo shilingi 30. Kiwango ambacho kilikuwa hakiwezi kumudu hata kuweza kurudi mkulima kurudi kwa shamba.
Imebadilisha hali yetu ya maisha. Watoto wetu sasa wamepata nafasi ya kujimudu, tunaweza walipia school fees, alafu na kuongeza ajira.
Our point is to ensure that the farmers can, to some extent, have a control of the price they get and a fair price that they can see a return for the hard work they have done.
According to Elizabeth Adongo, the chief officer in the agriculture docket, the cooperatives can now dictate the prices as they no longer sell paddy but ready rice.
We have managed to take our rice through rigorous testing so that we really optimize the mill, ensuring that there's less wastage, the conversion between paddy to rice is okay, the hours that the mill is running is optimized.
The rice processed here is now a staple in the county school feeding program, ensuring thousands of children stay in school and learn on full stomachs.
As we give the flour to schools, more learners are coming in. And in our mission as a pre-primary sector, we have to get the access. That is, we want children to come to school, then we have to retain them in school, and then the transition.
1 year on, the Siriwo Rice Mill is more than just a machinery. It is a symbol of transformation, resilience, and hope for a better future. Bramwell Bwire, KTN, Siaya.
In sports tonight,